Bruffy Joe, is it June 27 yet? Great to see the energy, the excitement building up to what's going to be a big game of footy.
Beauty, can't wait, no. Thank you, mate.
All right, we'll stay with us after the break. Livio joins us and he'll have all the weather details.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. This liberal serving of endless sunshine is a monumental shift away from the cloudy skies that pervaded through autumn. No rain expected for at least the next week. Of course, the price for clear winter skies is colder nights. Cloud acts like a blanket during the dark hours, and without it, our minimum temps drop like a lead balloon. Just 3 degrees this morning at Alva Beach near Ayr. To the satellite loop, we can see firstly there's no clouds to talk about. Even the frontal cloud left over is so well and truly out to sea from the Cairns coast that it would take days to sail there with a boat. There's really nothing left to talk about. Even the upslope winds over the Western Downs have slackened off, so we're not getting that low cloud that we had anymore. Might see a little bit of fog though over coming days. Today's chart, you can see the high pressure ridge is pretty much permanently lifted up to land latitudes. We've got a high now over northwest New South Wales, but over coming days there'll be a sequence of them moving west to east at roughly the same latitude, so it's always going to be an offshore breeze. Tomorrow's chart's much the same. Southwesterlies persisting, dry as a chip, clear skies statewide as long as this pattern remains. To the latest from BOM, the boating forecast for Townsville waters, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots, I should say, tomorrow. Same again on Wednesday, turning a bit more southerly on Thursday, but same strength. Low tide first up tomorrow, then high tide around lunchtime, depending when you get hungry, of course. The new moon's well behind us now, so the swing of the tide's finally narrowing. Herbert and Lower Burdekin, a bright sunny day. Townsville 13 tonight. It's 27 tomorrow. Ayr and Ingham also 27. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders. Again sunny with Charters Towers, a big range of 7 up to 27 degrees. And Georgetown a top of 32. Looking ahead for Townsville, no rain in sight for the next 7 days, and I doubt we'll even see much cloud. Clear skies will of course increase temperature range, so expect chilly nights and warm sunny days. First question of the season. On winter mornings, why does it keep getting colder even after sunrise? At night, the Earth's heat escapes quickly into space. And if there were no sun the next day, the ground would just cool down forever and ever. Even at daybreak, the temperature's still falling because most of the sun's energy is used up evaporating the frost and dew, leaving nothing in the tank to replenish the escaping heat. As the sun gets higher and stronger, the tug-of-war between incoming and outgoing heat eventually balances, the minimum temperature is reached, and the ground starts warming up again. Hope that clears up that conundrum. Have a nice evening, folks. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company, and we'll see you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.